Hi, my name is Crystal Garrison, and I'm here with Drees Custom Homes on site at our Grandview model here in the beautiful Argyle, Texas. Come along. Okay, so now I want to take you into this beautiful living space that we have set up here in the Grandview. It's got a large vaulted ceiling that takes you from the kitchen to the dining to the family room. Behind me, you can see that this family room is set up for either a family time gathering and just having a small talk or a small gather, or you could even use this entire space for a large event and a large gathering. Lots of texture, lots of warmth, and this stone fireplace just anchors this room from the family room to the kitchen. And you can see behind me here, we have a flank of the fireplace. It just kind of carries the vault all the way through, and stained cabinets have really just blown off the shelves here in our market. So we are seeing a lot of stained cabinet requests come across. We wanted to incorporate that in this model home so people can see how it looks in person. Just because when people come to model homes, they come to these for inspiration, just to kind of see what they like and what they prefer. We did do this beautiful quartz waterfall ended island, which is also a huge trendsetter and a huge statement piece for this very large entertaining room and kitchen. It really grounds the island and just kind of sets it apart from everything else. So I do feel like this space is set up in a way that multiple activities could be happening, getting everybody into the same room, but being able to do individual tasks. Okay, so right behind our kitchen here, we have a beautiful walk-through pantry set up. Who wouldn't love this? It's a galley pantry. You could use this obviously to store all of your pantry goods, but you could also use this as a secondary space for catering events if you want to just kind of have all of the messy and all of the dirty out of the kitchen. Look at this space. It's beautiful. It's super wide. It's got a galley feel so you can go in and out, and it's just perfect right behind the kitchen there. And then right off of that, we have this spacious, beautiful laundry room. We've incorporated the stained cabinets in here again, plenty of space for your front-loading washer and dryers, a little sink for your extra washing and laundry needs. And again, we've just tied all of this together with your earthy neutral trend that we are seeing so much right now. All right, so let's go back through the pantry here, and we're gonna go over to our entertainment wing. This is where I visualize the kids hanging out or your friends hanging out when they're over for the big game. We've got a beautiful setup here that's got a media room connected to a game room, large open concept. We're seeing a lot of this now versus a closed-in media room. Again, I just really want to kind of hone in on the fact that this house is just set up for entertainment. So definitely could have some friends over watching the big game, or you and the kids can be in here watching a movie on a Friday night, having a movie night. So it definitely can be filtered back and forth between entertainment, but also just family living. And I have my friend here from Home Pro to kind of talk about all of the integration and what's gone into the home media side of this model home.
Awesome. My name is Jonathan Pacheco. I'm with Home Pro. We are a trusted vendor partner with Drees. For us, we have a strong relationship, not only for the buyer experience, but also for the builder experience. For us, what we're sitting in currently, this is our media center. We have a couple different areas outside in our game room space. For us, it's very intricate to be able to have a simplified but strong source in our surround sound area. So what we're sitting in here is going to be our 7.1 Dolby Atmos. So you have your 3 speakers to the front, your 2 speakers overhead, your 2 speakers to the rear. This allows the builder experience to be able to show what's important, how the everyday buyer is being able to utilize that space. Out inside of our game room area, we've got multiple different TV sources to be able to show that dynamic as well. So again, very, very intricate. As we kind of navigate through the model, you'll see speakers not only inside our media, not only inside our game room, but that same experience that we can share on the back patio in your family room. And those are very, very important today for our builder partners.
Okay, so now let's go over to the primary suite on another wing of this home. So in here, again, if you look up, we've brought in those warm beams. We really wanted to integrate different parts of the house into different rooms. Beautiful textured wallpaper in here. Again, just kind of tapping into the very popular trends that are happening right now: clean, earthy, and neutral. We've seen our primary suites get a little bit smaller in size, so the bathrooms aren't sacrificed so much. And so you will see here in our bathroom what I'm talking about. Look at this. A walk-through shower, dual shower heads, beautiful freestanding tub. Again, we've incorporated the warmth, the textures, and all of the things, dual vanities, and they come right in here to this beautiful primary closet. Okay, and then I'm going to take you back this way, and we're going to take a look down one of the hallways. So this house is actually separated into a couple of different wings, which I personally love, because when you are ready to kind of get away and be on your own, you can do that. We've got a beautiful courtyard here in the front with all of these windows giving this hallway that could be dark, some really nice lighting towards the end of this hallway, but towards the front of the house, we have set up a home office. So here locally, and I'm sure everywhere, everybody's working from home these days. So we wanted to have a space that somebody could feel that they could work from home, be able to be situated in here comfortably, and then look at this view. Who would not love this view working from home in this space? Beautiful built-in, bringing in the green color that is just so popular right now. And again, just kind of bringing in some of those earthy tones, brasses and blacks as far as the decor goes. So as we walk back down this hallway, you'll see that we just have a guest suite set up with its own private bathroom. Again, this can be used for guests or for a family member, however you choose to use this space. We'll walk back down this hallway and we'll hit the last wing of the house. So we have this set up to be used for children or younger kids. Another little nook to get some homework done, to sit here and do a craft. This is the perfect way to incorporate this space and make it usable. And then at the end of the wing here, we've got 2 full-size bedrooms with 2 full-size bathrooms. They're both ensuite bathrooms for each kiddo or each guest or however you plan to use this space. You actually can see in this bedroom here that we were able to get a 12-foot ceiling in here, and just look how beautiful and open this bedroom is. One last thing I forgot to show you, but it's so important and it's right at the front of the house, is this beautiful wine room. Look at this. Got a beautiful iron enclosure, floor to ceiling, the perfect touch to this perfect home. Another thing that you can see in here are these beautiful slider doors that take you outside to the outdoor living. Another way to bring an entertainment piece to this plan, but also another way to incorporate, obviously, the outside in when we have beautiful weather days. Kids can be outside hanging out, mom and dad can be inside fixing snacks and dinner, or you can plan for a large holiday party or a big event and everybody can just be all together but not right on top of each other. This outdoor living space is spectacular and the views are amazing. We've got a beautiful outdoor kitchen set up with a dining table. We've got this nice gas stove out here, a little sitting area, a refrigerator, and all of the things. So as you can see on these large 1-acre sites, we're not sacrificing all of the use of the space because we've been able to put all of this outdoor, beautiful, usable area in as well.